Hey, to change keyboard theme on the POCO X6, all you have to do is just to go to the settings. Now scroll down, go into the additional settings, select languages and input, and now you will have to go to manage keyboards. From here select Gboard and go into the theme. Now you can find some default themes. If you want to get this one, just click apply. You can also find additional like landscapes or light and dark gradients, but this one you will actually have to download, so you have to click on this icon, and when it will be downloaded you can actually quickly apply it by tapping just right here. But you can also set custom theme by clicking on the My Themes, and now you can store all of your photos and pictures and select wherever you want as a keyboard theme. You can also pinch the screen and drag to move to pick any part of the photo that you want, then click next, and at the end we can also change the brightness of this theme. So we can click done, and additionally we can turn on and off the key borders. And after this we can just apply. And as you can see, that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.